What's good, what's up, and what's happening, Blaze family? You're now tuning into a Blaze Minding hair journey video with me, Madison Averhart. And today, guys, we are going to be doing a review on the Revlon blow dryer. This one's the styling blow dryer. You know, I was really indecisive on which one I wanted. I either wanted this one or like the regular blow dryer. But I went with this one because I like the blowout look and it's just a necessity that I need to do. So we're gonna be reviewing this and seeing how well it works. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Here we go. This is it. Looks pretty cool. I've never had a blow dryer like this before. It is something new. It smells brand new. Definitely smells new. Let's plug it in. Sorry, I look a little crusty. What up, E? What's good? I'm making a video on this. You said why? Because I definitely should have dried my hair a little bit more. Okay. I definitely like this. I can mess with this. Oh my gosh. Look how straight it is. Isn't that cool? Okay, so like my hair is drenched and it did this.
Now you have to do this.
Amazing.
Now you have to do this.
So I do recommend definitely drying completely your hair, because that took like 2 minutes because I didn't dry my hair all the way. So definitely dry your hair all the way and then do it, because my roots are still a little damp. So I'm gonna go dry my hair and then come back. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back and this is, I did that side on low and then I did this side on high. So if you can tell, like this side isn't as puffy as low. So for my hair, high, we're gonna stick to high. Low is definitely, I mean, it gets the job done, but not to my liking, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do this strand on high, and this is kind of a hefty amount of hair, but by all means, it is what it is. So before I start, I just wanted to let you know that the widget columns are like right here. So there is off, cool, low, and high. So cool, low, high. I recommend high. So it is giving, very much so. Hey guys, so this time I'm gonna do this on low so y'all can see how low works. Okay, so I think Lo did a pretty good job. So clearly a little bit over half of my head is done. And I don't like to do small sections. So if you've noticed, it's not bone straight like, you know, I was anticipating it to be. At this point, we're all just trying to see the results, right? Right. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush this up a little bit. And this is kind of where we're at. This is kind of ridiculous right here. This is the little part that I put on, what is it, Low? We're gonna go over it with high really fast. I'm quite sure this side is gonna look like this after a while. You can see it's already like frizzing. That looks a little bit better. I went over it with high. So I'm gonna go finish this side and then I'll come back. Hola. Okay, so we're back. This is my hair and I'm gonna, you know, share how I feel. So this is my hair and I am neither pleased nor disappointed, simply because I didn't have a blow dryer at all. So, you know, it is what it is. I did not put any anti-frizz on my hair. I just kind of went in cold turkey and did it. I honestly, I think that if I had of like sectioned my hair like in smaller pieces, like maybe like a little bit bigger than this, it probably would have came out a little bit more bone straight. But overall, I mean, like, it did the job. Like, my hair doesn't feel wet in any places, but I could have did that with the other blow dryer. So if y'all are like me and y'all are kind of like a lazy person with your hair, then I would go with the other blow dryer, because the other blow dryer would have did the same thing. I am actually like, I like my, it's like big, but it's dry. You know what I mean? It's just like not, it's not like, oh my God, wear this out. It's given, you need your ends clipped. Look at that. Like, my hair's not even even. It's ridiculous. And I feel like an untamed lion, low key. But yeah, that was the results of that blow dryer. So I'm still gonna use it because I paid money for it. But as far as styling, no. Everybody's hair is different. If I had have, you know, done it the right way, maybe.
No, not really.
Come here.
Smell very good.
It's milk.
Smell like caca. But wait.
So, let me go. Now it's a lot bigger. Okay guys, so that's all we have for this video. It is the next day, but I hope you found this video beneficial to you, and I hope this helped you decide on which blow dryer is best for you. Yeah, so you know how to end us. Do it.
Bye.
Ah! No, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay blazed.
Bye.
You want to do it now? You do that? Okay, go.
Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay blessed.
There you go.
Yeah.
Shalom.
Shalom.
Say shalom.
Shalom.
There you go.